All right. It is time to trim out. I finally got some new trim that's going to fit nicely on here and give it a nice finished detail for the bathroom. So I'm going to go ahead and install that. We have to also, I have some caulk. Today's Father's birthday. Let's see. I got some of this. I need to seal the floor to get it out of the bag. This top Alaska sealant, so that's clear. And that will be used. I will seal the cove base at the bottom so that we have no chance for water intrusion or other liquids that may try to weaken the job. Everything turned out really good here. Let me go ahead and do the trim out. Okay, the trim is on. It's looking good. Trimmed out. Gives a nice little finishing detail to it. So I'm pretty happy about that. I think it's time to do our last floor run here and get down and dirty and use the silicone to seal the cove base molding. It's an ugly job, but it's got to be done. I leveled this before it was off level. If you see at the beginning there, and really strong now. I've got everywhere you can put a screw in. A lot of these screws were missing the studs behind, so it kind of was potentially dangerous depending on how much the baby weighs. But now I think this thing could easily hold 25, 30, 40 pounds. I don't know what the weight rating is, but I think it'll be perfect. They also have to belt baby in so baby doesn't go flying here, which is kind of cool. Alright, don't put your dirty diapers in there. There it is, the cool. Nice looking setup. So I also got that mounted. See, I think we're going to try to skip that horrendous shelf, right? So I think it's probably time to move on to the big cabinet. Okay, I have gone ahead and sealed the floor. So when there's mopping, there won't be any water going in from the base and going into the wallboard behind there. I think it's a very important thing. I also held my nose and cleaned up that corner as best I could back there, so that looks pretty good. So it is officially cabinet time. The cabinet awaits. It's a big boy. Gotta face it, the storage cabinet is a hunk of junk. So I've ordered them to come and pick it up again. I got to go get some tape and finish taping it up so it can be transported. In the meantime, I'm going to go down to the Lowe's and see if there's got to be something available better than this junk. What a disappointment. Start putting it together, it's so thin, forget about it. I'm not going to waste my time handling junk. So, see you in a bit. Man, I hope that's not right. Feels it. It's like 100,000 degrees, and the last thing I wanted to do was have to box up this thing, this brute today. But I got it done. So they'll be coming to pick it up on Monday, and it'll go back to, it's just junk. Ever heard of half-inch walled storage cabinets? No way. I mean, it looked nice on the picture, but like anything else these days, it tends to be junk. So I got to clean up the last of this packing crap and probably call it a day. I am smoked. I'll show you what I got. Well, let me clean up first. Thing's made out of vinyl. It'll last longer. It holds over 220 pounds, which will be perfect. 4 shelves too. All right, we're gonna wrap it up, guys. It ain't 131 degrees, but it is hot. It's like 115 today, so I'm pretty spent having reboxed up that crappy shelf. So I lost 5 hours today. I ended up picking up the new one. So thumbs up or appreciated, guys. It's a time when it doesn't really pay off to be in Vegas with the heat. So thumbs up or appreciated. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the bell for all notifications. And have a wonderful day.